the Activities Director here at Elmdale Healthcare Fairview Park. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade bird suet so you can participate in our bird feeder project, keeping residents cheerful in this time. So the first thing you're going to do for the bird suet is get 2 cups of lard. So I have here Crisco, and we're going to put 2 cups of it into the bowl. Doesn't have to be exact. Two cups of lard, and then we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to scoop this into my bowl. I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds until it's workable and evenly mixed. All right, so right now it's pretty stiff. I'm going to take it to the microwave and microwave it for 30 seconds until it's easier to stir. Do a close-up on it. Can you see it? Kind of stiff. Okay, so shove it